Hello. I'm Roxy. And I am at LUV car wash right now. Today, I'm going to spit on someone, and the person that I'll be spitting on is Skipper. It'll be very funny. Ha 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 ha. Hey Skipper.
Ugh. What do you want from me, Roxy? Can't you see I'm in the middle of vacuuming the interior of my Ford Mustang Mach-E GT?
Take this bitch.
Oh my god. Roxy. Did you just spit muddy goop on me? Yes. I spat muddy goop on you, Skipper. Take that, Barbie's stupid ass little sister. Roxy. I can't fucking believe this right now. How dare you spit muddy goop on me while I was in the middle of vacuuming the interior of my Ford Mustang Mach-E GT. You know doing that to someone is very disgusting, and now my shirt is ruined thanks to you.
Girls. Is there a problem out here? I saw you arguing while I was working an LUV car wash.
Yes, there is, Trevor. I was in the middle of vacuuming the interior of my Ford Mustang Mach-E GT, but then, Roxy spat muddy goop on me and ruined my shirt.
Really? Roxy. How fucking dare you spit muddy goop on Skipper while she was in the middle of vacuuming the interior of her Ford Mustang Mach-E GT here in LUV car wash. You know doing that to someone is very disgusting, and now Skipper's shirt is ruined thanks to you. That's it. I'm gonna have to kick you out of this car wash for 4 days. And I will call Bruiser about this. Get out of here now. Hello Bruiser. This is Trevor speaking. I'm calling you because Roxy has spat muddy goop on Skipper and ruined her shirt while she was in the middle of vacuuming the interior of her Ford Mustang Mach-E GT here in LUV car wash. Can you ground her for this? Okay. Thanks. And bye.
Roxy. What you did at LUV car wash was very disgusting. We can't fucking believe you spat muddy goop on Skipper and ruined her shirt while she was in the middle of vacuuming the interior of her Ford Mustang Mach-E GT.
You really should be ashamed of yourself, girl. You are grounded for 4 days with effect from now.
Go to your room right now.
Yes, Bruiser, Vinny, and Sofiana. Sorry, Bruiser, Vinny, and Sofiana.